Alright, what's up? Amaya, and today I'm going to show you how you can upgrade or install Windows 10 to Windows 11 on your non-supported PCs. First of all, we are going to Windows Update on my Windows 10 just to make sure if Windows 11 is supported or not. So we're going to check for hardware requirements. Now it will open up the Microsoft website where we can check the specs, or we can simply download the PC Health Check app, which can help us determine the missing features that we need in order to upgrade to Windows 11. Well, actually, I do not like Windows 11. I'm just installing it just to show you guys how you can do it on your own PCs. Now, PC Health Check app is now being downloaded. While it is being downloaded, we can also check out Windows 11 specs. These are the system requirements. We need 1 GHz processor, 4 GB RAM, 64 GB storage, and other non-useful requirements. Okay, now we're gonna hit install on it. Now we're gonna install the Windows PC Health Check app. This will take some time, always does. Afterwards, I'm gonna uninstall it and never going to use it again. I hope so. Okay, now here we go. This is now installed. Let's hit finish, and this will open up the PC Health Check app, and we can check the requirements of Windows 11. Here you can see this is my information about my PC, everything that we need to know. And here we have the introducing Windows 11 feature, where we can see this PC does not currently meet Windows 11 system requirements, and the missing system is that my CPU is unsupported and I do not have TPM 2.0 on my Windows laptop. The other requirements are fulfilled. These are no heavy requirements, which means my PC can smoothly run Windows 11. Okay, so this is the other stuff that we don't need to look at. Let's close the browser. Okay, yep, I just need to close Windows settings, and here we need to search for Windows 11. Please note that I am installing the official Windows 11, not the modified versions like I previously did the Tiny 11, although I think Tiny 11 is way better than original Windows 11. Those are my personal preferences, but if someone wants to install original Windows 11, they can download Windows 11 like this. Simply search for Windows 11 and scroll down, download the disk image ISO for x64 devices. If you're using ARM device, you can download Windows ARM for this, but I am using a desktop class CPU, ARM 64. No, this is not ARM, this is an x64 architecture based CPU. So we're gonna wait for it to install. Here we need to download the 64-bit download. All we need to do is wait for the download to complete now. I have saved it, but sometimes it does not download. I don't know why is that, but okay, don't need to use Leo right now. Let's download it again. Yep, the download is now added. It took some time, but I should cancel the reload. Okay, now here you can see this download is being started, and now we have to wait for it to finish. While it is being finished, I should skip it, and now here it is finished. It took some time. Now let's open the ISO image. Now what we need to do is extract this ISO image. So I'm going to use 7-zip. You can use 7-zip, which I recommend, but you can also use WinRAR instead if you're into that. 7-zip is kind of open source, so I recommend 7-zip most often, and it is also very fast and more efficient than WinRAR, which is something I believe, not something that you should believe for yourself. Okay, now we are waiting for the extraction to happen, and then we will install Windows 11 on my non-supported PC. Okay, now here we have the Windows ISO image converted into a folder. Let's open the folder. Here you can see there is a setup and a sources folder. You can either install this setup, which may not work when your Windows PC is unsupported like me, but still I recommend that you try this first. If it does not work for you, then if you have to go to the other method, the one where we go to the sources, this is the installer. You can see it is things like that. This is the setup, how this is gonna go and things like that. I'm gonna close it. Let's try and check out the other method first. Okay, the setup is cleaning up before it closes. Here we go. Now in the sources section, what we need to do is press your Windows key and search for cmd. Run it as administrator. Here we need to type in cd space this, sorry about that, let's go back and copy this folders, yep, like this. Now this will open up as cmd. Now all we have to do is type in this command right here that I just copied. This is the setupprep.exe space / product space server. You need to type this and do not need to type anything else, just this command. Hit enter and this will open up the install Windows server. This server edition of Windows bypasses your Windows requirements, and now you can install Windows 11 on your PC without worrying about those requirements. This is recommended for those people who just want to use Windows 11 on their system and not heavy users. This is for simple use. Okay, you can accept to the agreement. Here you can either keep your files, remove those files, or simply delete all those app settings and however you want to keep it. If you want to keep your apps and settings, you can select the first option. If you want to keep the files only and delete the apps, you can select the second option. Or if you want clean install with everything new, deleting everything else, simply select the third option. Now all we have to do is wait for the installer to do its job. While we wait, this will open up, and also if you have selected something really weird and do not want to do this, it will actually give you the option while it works. It will give you the option. You can select however you want to keep your files. I actually recommend that you install Tiny11, which I already made a video about. I will provide the link in the description. Tiny11 is like lightweight version of Windows 11 and it is much more stable than this. I've actually never used this Windows Server option. I have only used Tiny11 and I really like it, but I actually love the interface of Windows 10. You know, nostalgia and stuff. I love Windows 10 and may not be upgrading to Windows 11 very soon until I get a new PC. That's the spirit. Okay, making sure your PC has enough space, and my PC has enough space, I know that. And here we go. This will now install Windows 11 Pro and will keep my files, settings and apps. This is how you can install Windows 11 whichever version you want, or you can just change your settings. These are the options. Keep personal files only, settings and apps, nothing. However you want to do it. Anyway, that's been it. Thanks for watching and I will catch you guys in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.